The new Renault 4 E-Tech Electric enters the assembly line, and with it, a game-changing technology. Jetprint Paint is the first fully production-integrated two-tone painting system. Traditionally, car bodies had to be painted twice, oven-dried, and manually masked with foil and tape. Hours of labor, high energy consumption, and tons of waste. Now, two robots apply the second color directly on the line, without any masking, precisely only where needed, in just 6 minutes. Zero paint waste, zero extra drying. The result? 1.7 gigawatt hours of energy saved per year, as much as 350 households consume, and 331 tons of CO2 less every year. Jetprint isn't just about aesthetics. It's precision, sustainability, and a breakthrough in automotive painting.